Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flap kit on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the factory screws on the inner fender and rear side of the mudguard, as shown. Remove the factory mudguard and reinstall the rear factory screw. Next, take the provided brace and install it over the two factory bolts located on the inward side of the wheel tub using two serrated flange nuts. With the supplied cap screw, stainless washer, lock washer, and nut, loosely install the inner hole of the flap to the inside of the wheel well. Next, loosely install the supplied aluminum strip washer using 3 stainless screws, 3 stainless washers, and 3 nylon washers. With the square, make sure that the mud flap is level. Then, carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.